Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. And we're working with these 3 strands. The center one becomes the carrier. The outer one is our first loop. Go under and through, pulling the knot up. You might have to pull your carrier thread down and see you're forming a little bit of a lacy loop on the side there. Now do the inner loop to finish our square. And then when our square is finished there, we are going to put this one aside and alternate to this side. This is the center one is our carrier. The outer one is our first loop. We're just making a regular square knot, but we're alternating back and forth. Now it's important to try to keep a consistent length on this extra strand that comes down, so that'll be a pretty lacy effect. And finish that square on this side, and then again we push this off to the side and we work with these 3 strands. The outer one is the first loop. When you pull the knot up the carrier, you want to keep this this strand here about the same size. Finish your square knot on that middle carrier, and then push the outer one aside and work with these 3. Just continue on in this fashion until we get to the center, and we'll put a bead on.